Hi there, my YouTube family. Follow along to make this easy dish. In the words of Daria, there is no moment in life that can't be improved with pizza. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Cooking with a shared diner. Start off with seasoning your bunt pan with olive oil, garlic powder, and parsley flakes, and then set it aside. Next up, season your 8 biscuits that's cut into half with garlic and olive oil, and then place your seasoned biscuits in the bottom of your bundt cake pan. Next up, your spicy Italian sausage. You're gonna cut these into circles, just thin slices, and fry them out just before you prepare your marinara sauce with black olives. Adding salt, oregano, garlic powder, and a little bit of sugar. Go ahead and grate your cheese and then set that aside, because next up we're going to start with preparing our pizza. Put your sauce right on top of the biscuits. Top it with your cheese and your Italian sausage. Pour your melted butter right on top of that with a nice loving circular motion, and put it in the oven to bake on 375 degrees for 35 minutes. Once it's out, let it cool for 5 minutes.
So usually I would be taking an Assure signature pound cake out of the bundt pan, but tonight it's a little different.
Ta-da! Assure friends and family, just like that you got a pull-apart pizza, homemade, so delicious, hot and fresh from your oven and ready to eat. But before you go, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.